Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So today is my birthday. So actually we have just came back from Australia last week, so we're not going too far for my birthday. We have a quick trip in Macau, from Hong Kong to Macau, and my husband has arranged a sweet stay, the wellness retreat package for me. So we're at room 1519. You can see it's a pretty big suite. I think the package includes the executive suite, but I think because it's my birthday and I stay at Four Seasons quite a few times, I think they have upgraded us to the ambassador suite. So thank you very much. So when I walk in, I'm pretty impressed. You can see the artwork from the two sides, and then just a glance of the whole suite. The dining area, the working area, as well as the panoramic living room with the view, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So very impressive, very thoughtful. They have prepared for me the Four Seasons toy with the balloon setup, and then some welcome amenities, which is plentiful, including the happy birthday cake, the Chinese tea, the macaron, as well as a handwritten note. So welcome. So this is a pretty big dining table, pretty big dining area, very comfortably sitting 8 people. So you can see the furniture, the centerpiece, very Four Seasons. Okay, and then on this side is actually the work area. Okay, so now going into the living room. So this is the panorama view of the living room, which you can see actually the Parisian Hotel is right there. So when you sit here, you actually got the view. And actually the balcony, you can walk out. I would try to walk out, but now, interestingly, typhoon signal number 8 is hoist. So I will just see if I can it's just a little windy, but I guess I'm okay. So you can see the brilliant night view here from the balcony of the ambassador suite. Actually, although it's typhoon number signal 8, right here where I stand is not too bad. It's not too windy, it's not rainy, but this is a beautiful view. So you can see the lighting is flashing. Where else can you get such a beautiful view? Just from the suite that we're staying at Four Seasons. Wow. I think they have some sound effect as well. Okay. So this is looking back to my suite. So I just got back in the room, in the suite, and I will continue the room tour. Okay. So you have seen the view, you have seen the very spacious dining area, the work area, and the living area. And actually when I walk in, there is a small corridor here, and I'm like, what is it? So when I walk in, it's actually a pantry area, which they give you a lot of bottles of water together with an espresso machine and capsules to tell you the different, or actually the special capsule Okay, and then they even have a microwave here. And then I open, it's a fully stocked mini bar. Of course, you have to pay for it. But that's good, at least it's stocked up. And then with the ice bucket and the kettle. And then up here, they have all the snacks and some local delicacies, some local snacks. Oh, nice teapot and the glasses and such. So this is like a mini kitchen. That is not like the full cocktail cart, but it served the purpose. Okay, so walking back out. So on this side is the bedroom. And before going to the bedroom, there's another small corridor, and that's the powder room. And then there's a door, okay. So the iron board and the small closet area is here. So walking into the bedroom, again, they have very nicely put in the happy birthday celebration balloon for me. And this is the very comfortable bedroom. And they even have the foot massage machine here. And then this is the view. And some complimentary stuff, which I yet have to check out because they have a lot of the complimentary stuff in this suite. And this is also some of them, the cleansing foam and such. So they got a big TV here. Okay, so walking in from the bedroom is a dressing room area. And then this is the main closet, which I've put the luggage here quickly. A very big size safety deposit box. And then the bathtub. The bathtub is not big in size, so it's a single bathtub. And then they have the double sink, and of course they have the rain shower, stand-up shower in addition to the bathtub. And for sustainability, they all use this big bottle of amenities for shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. And then the toilet here. So the bathrobe is here. So this is where I'm going to spend my birthday, which is awesome. Thank you so much to my lovely husband that arranged everything for me. So the wellness retreat include the spa package, including not just the massage, but then the sound therapy for mediation, and also personal trainer, as well as a wellness dinner. So that's all included in the package. So my birthday wish is for everyone to be well and happy, and then I will be happy. So thank you very much for everyone for joining me for my birthday celebration trip here. Okay, so we are doing like the wellness retreat at Four Seasons Macau, and it's my birthday, and they are so nice that they decorate even the spa room with happy birthday everywhere. So it's pretty amazing. I'm waiting for my husband to come and join me, but I just can't wait to show you how thoughtful they are with all the arrangement. So I'm super happy with all the arrangement. So after the spa, we will also try the 45 minutes sound therapy. So we'll see how it goes. Yes.